Hello, it's Tommy again. I wanted to do a quick video to show you some verses that reference cannibalism, eating people, eating babies. This is my King James, I think I just showed that to you, King James, Ezekiel chapter 5, verse 10. Therefore the fathers shall eat the sons in the midst of thee, and the sons shall eat their fathers, and I will execute judgment in thee, and the whole remnant of thee will I scatter into all the winds. And the fathers shall eat the sons in the midst of thee, and the sons shall eat their fathers. Okay, this one is the New King James. Still Ezekiel 5:10. Therefore fathers shall eat their sons in your midst, and the sons shall eat their fathers. And this next one is the interlinear. So the fathers shall eat the sons in your midst, and the sons shall eat their fathers. Here it is in the Hebrew. The Hebrew, the interlinear here, it reads right to left, so it's a little harder to read that way. Alright, the next one is 2 Kings chapter 6, verse 28. And the king said unto her, What aileth thee? And she answered, This woman said unto me, Give thy son, that we may eat him today, and we will eat my son tomorrow. So we boiled my son, and did eat him. And I said unto her on the next day, Give thy son, that we may eat him. And she hath hid her son. This is the New King James. Then the king said to her, What is troubling you? And she answered, This woman said to me, Give your son that we may eat him today, and we will eat my son tomorrow. So we boiled my son and ate him. And I said to her on the next day, Give your son that we may eat him. But she has hidden her son. And the interlinear. And the king said to her, What ails you? And she said, This woman said to me, Give your son, and we will eat him today, and tomorrow we will eat my son. And we boiled my son and ate him. And I said to her on the next day, Give your son, and we will eat him. But she hath hid her son. But she hid her son. Wow. Okay, the last verse is in Lamentations. Lamentations 4, verse 10. The hands of the pitiful women have sodden their own children. They were their meat in the destruction of the daughter of my people. Now, that word sodden, keep that in mind here, because we're going to see that in the New King James. The hands of the compassionate women have cooked their own children. They became food for them in the destruction of the daughter of my people. So sodden means boiled or cooked. This is the interlinear. The pitying women's hands have boiled their own children. They became their food in the ruin of the daughter of my people. Here it is in the interlinear. Okay. Well, that's all I had to show you today. I just really don't remember any mention of eating children. I mean, give your son that we may eat him today, and we will eat my son tomorrow. Oh my goodness, I don't ever remember reading any verses like this. They have cooked their own children, they became food for them. And the fathers shall eat their sons in the midst, and the sons shall eat their fathers. I don't know. All right. Well, I'd like to know what you guys think about these verses. Do you remember reading them in your Bible years ago? Because I just don't. So, okay. Have a great night. Thanks for watching. Till next time.